Hello everyone, I'm Heidi Advincula, one of the active member of MMM Philippines. Today, we were going to talk about the ideology of MMM. Let's start with a question. What is the usual happening in our modern world? We are living in the world that when you're rich, you'll remain rich. And when you're poor, you'll remain poor. And some ordinary people like us is working more than 8 hours, but our salary is still not enough for our daily expenses. There are many people in the world that unnourished and they don't have shelter and money. But the rich man are just sitting while counting their money and they can buy all their unnecessary needs easily. Nowadays, some people make loan just to buy their needs, and some people bring their money to the bank for safety, but they don't know that all the money that they bring in the bank is used by the people who handle the banks in real estate, stocks, and their own businesses. So, how we can live our situation? How to have a better life for ordinary people like us? Here is the community that can help us to have a better life. The Mabrodi Mondial Money Box, known as MMM. What is MMM? MMM is a mutual aid fund, financial social network, and donation exchange. It is peer-to-peer system. Participants transfer donations directly to the account of other member. MMM also assign system reward called Mavro, enjoyed by active participants and managers. MMM isn't a company, organization, or a business project. It has no certain account, meaning we do not transfer our money to MMM. Instead, we send our donation directly to the other recipient's account. And we all here know that there aren't any obligation and guarantees. Besides, these are our donation to those in people who need help. And there's no law that says donation is illegal, right? So, next is who is the founder of MMM? The founder of MMM is Sergey Panteleevich Mavrodi, known as Sergey Mavrodi. Sergey Mavrodi is the founder of MMM Social Financial Community. MMM is sure to be his life work, but not the only one. Sergey Mavrodi, having a degree in mathematics, worked as a programmer and took part in the development of the first operating systems. The company he founded has one of leading computer equipment distributors in Russia. He was a deputy of the Russian parliament. His literary works were published and they are sold in bookstores. Two of his screenplays were made into movies. His poems were turned into songs. That is Sergey Mavrodi. How does it work? Here in MMM, people agree, without any guarantees and promises, to help each other by donating their spare money. For example, when you donated an amount of 1,000 pesos, you also receive Mabro equivalent of 1,000 that you donate, and it will grow 30% per month. So it will grow continuously until you decided to get help from the community. MMM also has this new MMM Extra, wherein Mabros grow from 20% up to 100%. Rules and regulation. First of all, register. The first reason is to enter the mutual virtual account. And then, the other thing is how to register. There is a button in the top, registration. Just push and fill up the form and proceed. Next, how to provide assistance. You push on the desktop a button wants to provide help and point how much money you want to bring and where. You will get the order on your personal office and you will have to execute them in 36 hours to transfer the money to other participants' account. And if you will not do that, you will be blocked by the system. Yes, technically, Mabra will be charged to you at the same time. When you make a request, and the percentage will begin to flow. But at first, they will be under the status not confirmed. They will be confirmed only when all the participants will confirm the delivery of the money. Deposit type. 30% per month are allowed to withdraw fully or in parts of any moment. Here in MMM, you don't have to make contract or pledge your properties. Just donate your spare money. In MMM, there's no lenders and there's no debtor. Everything is very simple. One participant asks for help and another one helps. MMM doesn't cheat or abuse anyone. In other words, it is not a cheat or fraud in any case. Everyone is informed about all the risks. MMM doesn't hide anything and tell everything honestly and openly. What is MMM advantages? You will be given 30% per month for your provide help. And you will be given 10% for your referral bonus for help made by people you invite to MMM, like your friend, relatives, and acquaintances. You will also given $20, $50, up to $100 bonuses for your first help. And you will be given 5% bonus for your video after you get help. And there's a lot of bonuses from your MMM team. Here's another example. When you're a manager, you will be given 5% down to 3%, 1%, 0.5%, 0.3%, 0.1%, 0.05%, 0.03%, 0.1%, and so on. So, what are you waiting for? Be part of our community. Together, we can change the world. Thank you everyone for watching.